When you want to send money internationally, say from Bank of Kigali in Rwanda to John's account at the Bank of China, you might imagine cash being physically transported from one country to another. In reality, international bank transfers operate using an electronic network called SWIFT. SWIFT stands for Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. It was founded in 1973 and it started out using telegraphs, and now it relies on secure computer networks that allow banks around the world to communicate quickly and safely. With SWIFT used, this is what would happen behind the scenes with your transfer. First, you would provide the recipient bank SWIFT code or bank identifier code for Bank of China, a unique identifier on the SWIFT network. And for banks that do not have operations in the United States, they need to have a correspondent bank in the United States to facilitate the transfer, unless the recipient bank is their foreign branch. In Rwanda, for example, the Bank of Kigali would send the secure SWIFT message to its US correspondent bank. The US bank converts Rwandan francs into dollars, and the funds are transferred to the US bank that is a correspondent of the Bank of China. After that, the US correspondent bank for the Bank of China notifies the Bank of China that the funds have been received and it is credited to John's account, and then he received the money from the Bank of China. This process takes 3 to 5 days and incurs fees at each step, which is why international wire transfers can seem slow or expensive. It is important to note that SWIFT is not a payment system. It is a secure messaging platform that banks use to communicate transfer instructions. However, over 40 million USD transfers utilize SWIFT network every single day. Have you used SWIFT before for international transfer? Share your experience in the comments.